Understanding sign-up bonus. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a common phrase in the English language, sign-up bonus. This term is often used in marketing, finance, and online platforms. Let's dive into what it means and how it's used. Remember, understanding these phrases can really enhance your English skills. A sign-up bonus is a special offer or reward given to someone when they register or subscribe to a service, program, or website. It's a marketing strategy used by companies to attract new customers or users. This bonus can take various forms, such as extra points, a discount, cash back, or even a free item. 1. Credit cards. Many credit card companies offer a sign-up bonus like bonus points or cash back when you first get their card. 2. Online services. Streaming platforms or online shopping sites may offer a free month or special discounts as a sign-up bonus. 3. Bank accounts. Some banks provide a cash bonus when you open a new account with them. I received a $50 sign-up bonus when I opened my new credit card. The online course offers a 20% discount as a sign-up bonus for new members. Signing up for the newsletter got me a free ebook, which was a nice sign-up bonus. I hope this video has helped you understand the phrase, sign-up bonus, and how it's used in different contexts. Remember, learning these phrases not only improves your English but also helps you navigate various offers and deals more effectively. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.